In today's video, as you have seen by the title itself, I'm going to represent to you top 6 affiliate programs. If you are a total beginner and you don't know where to start, you are confused, but you want to become part of the affiliate marketing, which is becoming so famous these days, and everyone is using it and they're making a lot of money by promoting. You can see influencers and many different people by promoting different products, and you want to become just like them too. If you have a platform, if you have like social media and everything else, you can become just like them, guys. So, if you have all of this, and the only thing that you need to know is the products and also the programs where you can start over, which are the best commissions out there, then you're watching the right video because this can be very helpful information for you. So what you will have to do is just listen carefully because I'm going to represent to you and give you an hand and an idea how you can find some really good programs out there and products to promote. So by watching this video, you can also learn by yourself how you can seek out different programs. Now guys, thank you so much for watching this video, clicking on this video. I really would appreciate if you would subscribe also and turn on the notification bell, so in this way you will never lose any new update from me. As you know, I'm always posting different videos on my social media, so you probably don't want to miss any of that. Now let's jump over to the point of this video, which is the top 6 affiliate programs and products. Now before I start, I just want to say that if you have like a favorite program out there or a favorite website or a favorite brand, just write down the name of that brand and search it up on Google associated with affiliate program. So write down, for example, the Adidas, let's say, and write down affiliate program, and it's going to be shown up the affiliate program that they offer for you. So everyone, trust me when I say that every each website brand that exists out there, most of them offer an affiliate program for you that you can become part of it, because promoting something that you really like can be much easier. So this is why I gave you this recommendation. Now let's focus on top 6 affiliate programs and products that I have created for you and I have selected. So the first one is VPN affiliate. You know that everyone uses a VPN. Like it's not a like something that we don't know what it is. These days everyone uses it. Why so? Because not every website, not every let's say even songs on YouTube or not every program functions the same in every country. This is why we use VPN, because it can make it so much easier for us to have access on all the features that a website has or all of the features that a program must have and everything else. So basically VPN is a lifesaver for us. You want to watch a movie on Netflix, but Netflix is not even available in your country, VPN can save your life. Even if you want to surf on the internet and keep your privacy, so you don't want to know your location or where you're at, so you just put the VPN and activate it, and that's like how it functions. Now we know about VPN. Now I would totally recommend to you product from VPN, which I think is really good and you should totally have it on your computer. Surfshark. Surfshark is such an amazing VPN affiliate program, but first of all, Surfshark even by itself as a VPN, it's really good and preferable by everyone because also it has some really good pricing and it has such a great performance. It's really fast and gives you a lot of options of different countries out there. The commissions are really good. You have the 40% revenue share on new sales. 40% is such a big commission, guys, because most of the programs out there would only give you like 10, 50, but 40, it's a lot. You have the affiliate cookie duration, which is 30 days, minimum payout threshold. So it will be $100, the minimum payout, which I think is really good. So become part of their affiliate program and of course start to earn cash immediately. You just need to sign up, get your link and earn. So this was the first one. Let's jump over to the second one, which I have decided to go with Amazon Associates. Now, this is such an amazing program. Why so? Because the name speaks by itself. So, Amazon is such a big brand out there, and you don't need to make a lot of marketing. I would totally recommend to you to make a marketing or promotion or advertisement to those programs and products which are very well known, and you don't need to put a lot of effort when you try to, let's say, make an advertisement on promotion for them. So guys, Amazon Associates is a great solution for you, and if you are a beginner, I would totally recommend to you once in your life try out Amazon Associates. It's completely for free to become part of it. So, guys, Amazon products, I would not recommend to you one product because this can depend on you. You might be really good of books, so you can go on and promote books. If you are really good on, let's say, computers, then go on and promote computers. If you're really good at earphones or anything else, then you can go on with that. If you're good at fashion, you can go with clothes. So you can choose by yourself the products. So talking with passion about a product can really help you out. So, if you read books, then I would totally recommend to you go on with books and promote. Now, the let's say negative thing, only one negative thing that Amazon Associates has is the commission. So, a very, very low commission. So, you can earn from 2 to 10% commission for each sale that you are going to make. So, guys, that's not a lot and can be a very big problem when you're trying to earn more money, but it's a good start. So, you can become part of Amazon, and promoting this product won't give you the highest, let's say, commissions, but still, it's a good start to go over to and start with it. And don't forget the fact that Amazon is very well known. So the name speaks by itself. So when you try to share a link with a product from Amazon, you're going to get a lot of clicks. So even though the commissions are really low, still you're going to get paid a lot of money, and you can reach out to 1,000. I can guarantee that, because a lot of people are going to click on the product. Now let's go over to the third one, which is Expedia Affiliate. For those who love traveling, for those who love exploring and buying just airplane tickets makes them happy, this is the best affiliate that you should go and promote. If you are a travel influencer, then for sure you need to go to Expedia Group, and here you are going to find all of the programs that they offer, like Expedia, Verbio, Hotels, Orbitz, Travel City, eBookers, and many more. So become part of one of these and start to promoting, because guys, they can give you a lot of money. They have some really good commissions, because you know that the prices of the tickets are really high, so for sure you're going to get paid a lot of money. So, Expedia can be a really good choice for those who want to become a travel influencer. And to join their affiliate program, it's really easily too. Now, the fourth one is Etsy Affiliate. I would have decided for eBay, but in the end, I decided for Etsy because it has some really good products too, and with some really high prices. You can go to their main, let's say, page, and here you can find that they offer arts and collectibles, a wedding, home and living, clothing and shoes, and jewelry and accessories. So you can find products here with a value more than $1,000, which will give you like a lot of money promoting them. Etsy is very easily, it has some really good commissions. You can join their programs really easily, and you can get rewards also, but just sharing these kind of products can be really easily, guys, and really fast earning money. So I would totally recommend to you Etsy. Now we also have Language Learning Affiliate, which will be the fifth top affiliate program that I will totally recommend to you. Everyone is trying to learn a third or a second or a fifth language, so I would totally recommend to promote a language learning affiliate. In fact, you can find a lot of products here, and if you have your favorite one, then you go on with that. But I'm going to promote a Bubble, because I think that Bubble is amazing, and it can give you so amazing commissions too. So So if you thought that I was going to tell you about Duolingo, then you were wrong because I'm going with Bubble. And to become part of their affiliate, it's really easily. You just have to sign up. Now, guys, a Bubble affiliate program can be found very easily. Just go over to performcb.com, and here you are going to find the information. They have 45-day cookie variety of updated seasonal promotional opportunities, dedicated account manager, and also the prices over at Bubble are really lower than any other. So this is why I'm deciding for Bubble. Now, the last but not least is the high-end affiliate. Now, guys, I'm just representing to you mostly brands and mostly websites which do not have very high price, but now I'm going with a very expensive program. And I'm telling you that going with expensive affiliate programs can be hard, but you can earn a lot. So just give it a try. You never know, because it might be hard to convince someone to buy something that is really expensive, but still, if you find the right product, you can convince the people. I'm going with Bob's watches. Everyone love watches and they will spend a lot of money. I know a lot of people, and probably you know a lot of people who would invest a lot of money on a watch, and you can earn a lot by this. Let me tell you how much. If you are going with a 5% commission, you will receive $375 for a $7,000 sale. You are going to earn $1,000 for a transaction exceeding $20,000. Trust me when I say that you can find people spending so much money on watches, and you can find other products too, which are very high end affiliates. So, guys, this was the information that I had prepared for you. I really hope you have enjoyed and learned something new. Please show us some support by giving a like. Don't forget to subscribe and also check out other videos as well.